What's up, children? I hope that you all are enjoying your studies along with your enjoyment and all. So, children, today we are going to have the next chapter, that is post haste. So, before we start the chapter, I'm going to get you a task that is interesting and based on the topic also, which we are going to have today. So here there is a girl, her name is Tula, and you need to help her find out the way to post office. So you need to help her कि वो यहाँ पर कहाँ से जाएगी और कहाँ से जाते हुए कहाँ पर ये पहुँच जाएगी. So just pause the video, take a screenshot and then write down somewhere. You can draw करके you can get her away. And or otherwise, if you have book, then in your book only you can draw the way for her to the post office. So this is the first thing you need to do your home while watching the video. And now the thing comes is the main chapter. So the chapter post haste is written by Colin Howard. So children, Colin Howard is a writer who most of the time wrote some humorous things, यानी बहुत हंसी मजाक वाली some funny things he wrote in his life to entertain people, लोगों का मनोरंजन करने के लिए. So this chapter is also going to give us some entertainment, हमें entertain करेगा. And the main character of this chapter is an absent minded person. वो एक बहुत भुलक्कड़ इंसान है. And you can see there are two persons standing. So one person is is Simpson and the other one is the narrator. यानी narrator the writer जिन्होंने story लिखी है. So he is somewhere sharing his own experience with us. So we need to learn from this chapter and of course we'll enjoy along with that. So let's see. Let's start the chapter now. The Simpsons have shifted to a new neighborhood. Let's read to find out whether their neighbors are helpful or not. So now we'll see in this chapter कि इनके जो neighbors उनके पड़ोसी हैं, are they helpful to Simpsons or not? उनके लिए मददगार होते हैं नहीं होते हैं. So as you can see, this is a letter box and two people are standing here. They are talking. So let's see what do they talk. I say I'm pleased to see you, declared the little man standing dejectedly by the pillar box. So now someone is greeting someone, किसी को कोई greet करते हुए कह रहा है that I am pleased to see you, मुझे खुशी हुई आपको देख करके, आपसे मिल करके. Declared the little man standing dejectedly. So it means that बहुत ही लो वॉइस में, बहुत ही दबे, बहुत ही स्लो वॉइस में वो सामने वाले से कह रहा है मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई आपसे मिल करके. एंड सो सामने वाला व्हाट डज ही से, वो क्या कहता है, ओ हेलो, I said stopping. Simpson, isn't it? So now the person who was greeted, जिसे greet किया था Simpson ने, वो अब कहता है कि अपने आप को, वो जा रहा था कहीं, वो रुकते हुए कहता है वो हेलो, और वो खुद कहता है कि आर यू Simpson, क्या तुम Simpson हो. Now Simpson क्या कहता है, the Simpsons were newcomers to neighborhood and my wife and I had only met them once or twice. Now the writer is saying the Simpsons, जो Simpsons हैं उनकी ये है और उनकी वाइफ है, they are the newcomers, यानी बहुत ही recently they have come to live in their locality, उनके locality बहुत ही हाल ही में आए हुए हैं. And the writer and his wife, उनकी writer उनकी जो wife है, they have met Simpsons once or twice, एक या दो बार मिले हुए. So they are not too much familiar with each other, बहुत ज़्यादा एक दूसरे के जानकार नहीं हैं. Yes, that's right, returned Simpson. अब return Simpson भी पलट के कहता है yes you are right, आप सही हो, I am Simpson. He seemed quite gratified by my ready recognition. So now he's saying that see what happens अगर हम किसी को greet करते हैं and मतलब कोई हमें बहुत अच्छे से नहीं जानता है, सडनली हम उसे पलट कर कहते हैं कि ओके आप तो आर यू निशा, तो मुझे भी बहुत सोचकर अच्छा लगेगा कि मतलब हम लोग की मुलाकात बहुत ही रेयर, कभी बहुत 1 ही 2 बार हुई और सामने वाला मेरा नाम भी जानता है. सो सीइंग दिस नो द सिम्पसन जो पर्सन था, जो न्यू कमर सिम्पसन था, ही वॉज़ वेरी सरप्राइज, ही वॉज़ ग्रेटिफाइड, बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गया बाय हिज रेडी रिकग्निशन, यानी उसकी जो उन्होंने तुरंत उसको पहचान लिया. सो सीइंग हिज ही वॉज़ वेरी प्लीज्ड. I wonder if you could lend me 3 halfpence. Now halfpence means penny, यानी पैसा, ठीक है. So I wonder, now Simpson is asking the writer for some money. उससे कुछ पैसा मांग रहा है और कहता है मुझे नहीं पता that if you have or not, but if you have, so can I know, would you lend me some 3 halfpence. So what he says, the writer, क्या writer कहता है, you see my wife give me a letter to post and I have just noticed it isn't stamped, he continued. So पैसे मांगते हो क्या बोलता है, that you see मतलब showing his letter without stamped. तो वो कहता है कि see I have got letter, my wife मेरी वाइफ ने मुझे दिया था, and I have just noticed and just now I saw that it is not stamped. And he started मतलब ऐसा कहते हुए बोलने लगता है. They never are, I said sympathetically. So अब now as Simpson ने उसको दिखाया, so राइटर को, सो राइटर क्या कहता है, yes they are not, मतलब of course बिल्कुल ही स्टैम्प नहीं है. So I said sympathetically. So sympathetically means with kindness, मैंने पूरी दयालुता के साथ से कहा yes of course they are not stamped. It must go tonight, it really must, and I don't suppose I shall find a post office open at this time of night, do you? Now he's saying that somehow this letter which the person, the newcomer is having with him, he wants that letter to go tonight, मतलब उसी रात में, that night only, उसी रात में वो लेटर जाना ज़रूरी है. But he is not getting, he has got some problem that he is not able to post that letter. The hour being closed upon 11, I agreed that it seemed improbable. So कहता है कि but I don't think ये possible हो पाएगा because time नहीं हो, मतलब this much time is not left. If I go back or get it stamped, उसमें stamp लगवाऊँगा, so it will take time and finally the post office will be shut down, वो बंद हो जाएगा. So I thought, you see, I would get a stamp out of the machine, explained Simpson. Only I find I haven't any coppers on me. So कहता है कि इसीलिए I thought that you see I would get a stamp out of the machine. So let's see, हो सकता है, इट मे बी पॉसिबल, जो मशीन है, जो स्टैम्प वाली मशीन है, हो सकता है मुझे वहाँ से स्टैम्प्स मिल जाएं, ऐसा सिम्पसन उससे एक्सप्लेन करता है. बट फिर वो कहता है बट व्हेन आई चेक माई पॉकेट आई डिड नॉट हैव सफिशिएंट मनी, आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी कॉपर्स ऑन मी. कॉपर्स मीन्स कॉइन्स, जो सिक्के थे मेरे पास तो थे ही नहीं, और कॉइन्स की वो वैल्यू नहीं थी, वो कॉइन्स स्टैम्प की वैल्यू के इक्वल नहीं थे. I'm awfully sorry, but I am afraid I haven't either, I told him, concluding my explorations. Now the writer also says the same thing, that I'm sorry, I even don't have any single penny, मेरे पास कोई पैसा नहीं है, and I have explored my pockets, मैंने अपनी pockets में ढूंढ लिया है, but I haven't got any money, for that I am sorry. Oh dear, he said, just like that. He was that sort of little man. Perhaps somebody else, I put forward. Now जो Simpson होता है, he says, oh dear, I just like that. ऐसे ही मतलब writer wants to say that he got confused to see his statements. कभी कुछ और बोल रहा था, कभी कुछ और बोल रहा था, सडनली उसने बात चेंज करके बोला ओ डियर, फिर बोला अरे ऐसे ही, मैंने ऐसे ही बोल दिया. तो नो ही सेइंग दैट आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन ही वाज, बट आई वाज सरप्राइज टू सी हिम. So writer says to him, उससे कहता है perhaps someone else I put forward. So he says to him कि हो सकता है हमें कोई और मिल जाए. Okay children, I'm just putting a dot here, and I'll continue in the next video, otherwise the video will be so lengthy. Okay children, take care, bye bye.